Hi everyone, this is Venkat Krishna from Chris Software Solutions. In this video, we're going to discuss about how to locate the elements, how to identify the elements, how to confirm whether it is identifying or not. So those locators related we're going to learn in this video. And before going to that, what is HTML? HTML is a hypertext markup language. Any website you want to develop, you should use HTML. Any website, without HTML, no website. So we need to learn something about HTML. We don't need much details about HTML, just some terminology you need to understand here. These are all the HTML tags will be there. HTML is the root tag for all the other tags. It is the head tag, okay, and head will be there. And all of these tags, the parent is HTML. So body tag, title, anchor tag, form, code, like this way some tags will be there in any web application. Let me take any application, Amazon. Okay, I want to see the HTML. How you can see the HTML? Just go to the element. This is a Chrome browser. Any browser, same thing. When you right click on it, you are going to get a inspect. Similar inspect you will get it in IE browser and Firefox also. Just click on the inspect, right click and click on the inspect. You can able to see this particular element HTML. In this HTML, this input is there, right? It is a tag name. Input is a tag name, and the type is a attribute. We can call it as a attribute. So text is a value. Type attributes value is text. ID attribute value is this one. Value name, it is attribute and its value is this one. So in HTML, and parent tag is what? HTML is the parent tag for all. Head tag is there, body tag is there, div tag is there, script is a tag name. Okay, so script is a tag name, div is a tag name, and its value is ID is a attribute, its value is this one. So starting of the left arrow, you will get the whatever the value, that is a tag name, and inside of it what are the attributes and its values will be there in any HTML. Okay, that you need to understand. When I right click on it, inspect it, I am going to see this particular element's HTML. This particular element HTML I can able to see here, and it is a input is the tag name we are having, because in the left arrow we are having text, that is a tag name, and type is the attribute and its value. ID is the attribute and its value. Value name is the attribute and its value. Autocomplete is the attribute, its value. Placeholder class is the attribute and its value. Okay, dir is the attribute, its value. Tab index is the attribute and its value, and closing tag is there. Okay, similarly see here, div is the tag name, id is the attribute and its value. Anything you can take it. Let me assume here div is the tag name, id is the attribute, its value. Class is the attribute, its value. Style is the attribute, its value. Like this way, any HTML you can take in any website. You can take any website. For example, let me take a sample website. I'm going to see the HTML for this username. How I can see? Inspect it. See, this particular element's HTML related is input is the tag name, type is the attribute and its value is text, name is the attribute, its value is text. So like this way you can identify anything in your web application. See, I want to locate this particular sign on link. See, it is a anchor tag and href is the attribute and its value. Sign on. See, before closing the tag, some text is there. We can call it as a link text. See, similarly for register is there. So where it is there? Before closing the anchor tag. Anchor tag means tag A is a anchor tag. It is for links. So this is the link text for register. Similarly, see for support. Support is there before closing the anchor tag, it is a link text. Similarly for contact, see here, contact is the link text. Similarly, I want to see for this business travel elements HTML, see here, it is also a anchor tag, and href is the attribute and its value, and before closing the tag this text is there. This text is a link text. Similarly, see here, Salon travel is there before closing the anchor tag. Tag A is a anchor tag, okay? So Salon travel is there. Like this way you need to understand the HTML little bit. See here, HTML is the parent tag and it is having head, body and different. Table is the tag name and TD is there, TD is there. So like this way we need to understand the HTML is the first part. Next, second part, what is the parent, what is child, those things you need to understand here. For this input tag, what is the parent? See, it is inside of this input tag, is inside of this TD. So when you minimize it, see it is going inside of it. So it means that this input tag is child of this TD, or this input tag parent is this TD. And coming to this TD, what is the parent? See, these two are siblings, same level we can call it them as a siblings. So its parent is what? TR. These two are inside of TR. So TR's parent is what? Inside of TD, T body. So T body is the parent of these two TRs. Like this way you need to understand. See here, this form parent is TD, this TD's parent is TR. If any tag is inside of other tag, then that is a parent, okay? And see, this form's child is this input tag, okay? So this TD's child is this form child is this input. This TD, this input tag will be a grandchild, because it is not a direct child, right? It is a grandchild. And this TD will be the grandparent for this input tag, because it is parent's parent. So it will be a grandparent to this input tag, and for this TD this input is a grandchild, okay, because it is child's child. So few of the things we have discussed about the HTML related. So what we have learned here, what is parent, what is child, what is grandparent, what is grandchild, what is tag name, what is attribute, what is attribute value, what is the link text. This all we have seen so far, okay? Now let me go ahead. This is about the HTML tags, and to locate the elements in Selenium we have 9 locators are there. We should use any of the locator to identify the particular element in the Selenium. 9 locators are ID, name, class name, link text, partial link text, tag name, CSS selector, XPath, and last one is a DOM. Ninth one is a DOM. So to locate any element or to identify any element, we should use any one of the locator out of these 9. Okay, ID, name, class name, link text, partial link text, tag name, CSS selector, XPath, and DOM. These 9 are the locators we are having in the Selenium to locate the particular element. Okay, let me go ahead with the installation of the, or let me close this video here. So in this video more we are learning about the HTML tags, how these tags are there, how to understand them and all. In the next video I am going to cover installation of the Selenium IDE and how to locate them we will see. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. If you like this, please like us, share us, encourage us. If you have any questions on it, in the chat box please update there so that I will do more videos on it. Thank you so much.